When I was in Shanghai over my vacation during the Eid break, I happened to stop by this one store called Notify. This is the tag from that store. Obviously, it was hanging off one of the products that I picked up there. But they did a lot of outdoor, it was like an outdoor and running specialty door. They had a bunch of Satisfy merch as well, like tees and those silk tights. Man, those silk tights are something else. But unfortunately, they didn't have my size. They had my size. I tried on, there was one top in a size L that I tried on. I thought the fit was all right, but the one that I liked the print on, they didn't have it. So that led me to go looking for that top online, and I ended up picking two from Satire. But where are my manners? Thank you for stopping by, you guys. My name is Alan. If it's your first time here, welcome, and welcome back to all the returning subscribers. And as I go through this video, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So, like I was saying, with all of that out of the way, I was at Notify. I was actually killing time while Jel and Preetham were over at another store. And that's where I saw this tee, Nnormal. And man, I love the print on this t-shirt. It's not a tee, it's a running top. But this one's meant to be a race day tee. And I picked up a size XL in this. If you can see right here, it's an amazing print, very trail running specific. You see that branding right there, stamped on. On the back, you have the Nnormal logo as well, or Nnormal. Made in Vietnam, but it's designed somewhere in Europe. I can't remember where exactly, but I know that they have one of these ultra marathon athletes testing out all of their products, and this is what they wore during the ultra marathon. Now, unfortunately, it's an XL, it's a race day top, but because my arms are big, it's not a brag. Sometimes I can't buy a nice t-shirt because my arms are too big for them, but it's quite snug around my arms. But if you're lean, athletic, like who these tees are made for, then yeah, go for it. The reason I still picked it up nonetheless is it's so lightweight and it's so thin that, considering it's summer out here, especially when I'm going for my runs when I'm in Dubai, it's too hot. So something like this would do wonders, would keep my body cool. Speaking of keeping my body cool, the OG of keeping your body cool, Satisfy. And I picked up two of their MothTech tees or MothTech tops. Now, the thing with MothTech is it's meant to give you that feel of the moth having eaten through. You know, when you keep your tees in the cupboard for too long and you get holes in them because the moths have been going through them because you didn't put in naphthalene balls. Well, that's the reason or the rationale behind the name MothTech. And true to its name, they come with holes in the tee that look like some moths ate through it. Now let me get them out, both at the same time. Now I picked these up from Satire. I picked both of them in a size L. I will try them on to show you. I'm thinking maybe an XL will look good or look better than how the Ls look on me. But I took an L with the L. But I think since I'm running, I don't really care. But here's the first one. This one's a MothTech tank. And like you can see, if the camera captures it right there, you see all of those holes. Now, as per Satisfy, these are, they've done some research to make sure that the placement of the holes is just perfect enough to let the air through when you're running and cool you down. You know, something like what ACG or Nike is doing with the ACG Radical Flow top. Man, I want to get one of those so bad. Maybe the short sleeve and not the full sleeve one, because the short sleeve is a lot less louder or in your face like the full sleeve one. But I definitely want to get one of those. Now, this MothTech story was really interesting to me. I had to pick it up. But then I find it funny. You know, they say it's engineered and all of that. But then Adidas does a collab with Satisfy. And somehow the trefoil logo or the three stripes are your MothTech holes. So what happened to the zoning with those? And speaking of Satisfy, these products are made in Portugal. They're doing a collab with Oakley. They have this straight jacket with MothTech, well, not holes in the middle of the lens, but they have these air vents around the lens. Man, a thing of beauty. I wish I can get my hands on them, but I don't think I'll be able to as easily. But yeah, another thing is it's supposed to be, it's cotton. It's super soft. It's super soft. I've never run in cotton. If you see in my run videos, I'm always in like a Nike Pro or a running top, which is polyester, and which is why I wanted to try this and get this to see how they feel. Now look at this. Even your detail, right, like a care label, is hyperfused to the outside of the top so as to not interfere with you. I know you could have it snipped off before you wear it, but it's right here on the bottom left corner, hyperfused on. And now for the one that really caught my fancy, it's this one. Again, Satisfy with that monster truck, and on the back it says off-road equipment. This particular tee or this top, this running top, it's called Bigfoot. Man, I just love this top, and this is the primary reason I picked it up. And this is how the sizing appears on the inside. You see the L has been circled out, right? Again, on this one you have that MothTech, so your zoned out holes for better breathability. And on the left side bottom you have that hyperfused care label. Speaking of these holes for breathability, it reminds me of my Nike Run Division tee. Now with MothTech and Satisfy, they don't follow a pattern laid out. It's just like it's random. It looks like how a moth would have eaten it. And this is my Nike Run Division tee. Here you can see that it still has those holes in them, but they are more designed or symmetrical to each other. Well, actually, some of them do look randomly placed. I was wrong. I stand corrected. They are not randomly placed. They as well have been zoned out, on the back especially. Man, but I gotta tell you, I run in these. I have two, one blue and one in black, or a charcoal gray. The charcoal gray is an extra large. This is a large. I prefer the large fit. The charcoal gray, which is an extra large, is too flappy and loose, which is what I was worried would happen with the Satisfy top as well if I were to bring an extra large without trying it on. I'd rather have like a not snug but a one-to-one fit than a flappy loose fit. And when I run in this Nike Run Division tee, I haven't run in the Satisfy one yet. Man, it actually works. You know, those cooling vents actually work. It's a lot more cooler than when I'm running with one of those polyester tees, even if it's a Nike tee. And the Nike Run Division is like a 80% polyester, 10% lyocell, and 82% polyester, so 8% elastane. So that's the blend on this tee. And now I'm going to try them on and show you what they look like. Right, so this is the size large on the Satisfy. Like I was saying, my arms are too big, but regardless, it fits well. The shoulders are proper. It's a little snug around the belly area, but that's primarily because man's got a big one, yeah? Big belly. But this is the tee. I think for my runs, it's just about right. The fit's good. Nothing too exaggerated or over the top. The black print right there. A nice vintage kind of a wash, which is what I think the brand was going with. I just might wear this casually. You can even see the info, like this is the Bigfoot tee, and it says right there, t-shirt, 100% organic cotton, info cooling, made in Portugal. And this one's the tank. It says muscle tee. Again, rest of the details stay the same. So I like these cool detailing. See the serial number as well, 11006, 11005. Now this is your Satisfy tank. It's got a nice cropped length. It's kind of boxy-ish. Again, you can see the belly gut right there, your MothTech. But this is how the tank fits. Maybe when I'm on holiday in Thailand or Vietnam in summer, this would make perfect sense. You can see that hyperfused care label right there. But yeah, when I'm going out on a hot day, get a beer, maybe get an iced coffee, this makes perfect sense, I think. But of course, I bought this to go on my runs, so they'll be seeing a lot of road running time. And of course, how can I not show you the fit on the Nnormal or normal tee, normal top. This is how it is, kind of snug, like a gym or like a base layer top, but super lightweight, super lightweight. I love this for my runs especially. Definitely going with this one. It is just so lightweight, and I love this design. A very trail inspired design. I mean, it is a trail running tee, but I'm going to be doing road running nonetheless. Amazing one. And lastly, I wanted to show you how the Nike Run Division tee fits, as again you can see those holes right there for your ventilation. This is a lot more athletic, slimmer, I guess. Although my arms are still fine, it doesn't grab on too tight. These details are reflective right here, even the swoosh. So this is a lot longer, the top, and a lot more your standard fit, unlike the Satisfy fit, which is a lot more boxy, rock band aesthetic and so on. Now I got to tell you that the founder of Satisfy has very punk rock vibes and inspo. That's the reason he came out with the entire aesthetic of Satisfy, or that's how he came about it. Like, imagine an old vintage rock band tee or a Harley Davidson tee, right, that you'd find at a thrift store, and it's sitting at the bottom of your wardrobe and it's been moth eaten. That's the entire aesthetic of MothTech and Satisfy vintage running tees. But yeah, this is it. So now you can make your informed decisions. All size L's except the normal top, which is a size XL. Right guys, thanks for tuning in for this video. Really quick short one, because I know a lot of people are getting into running and I'm not really a runner, I'm more of a walker. And I wanted to get these Satisfy tees because, you know, they're all the rage. I love the Bigfoot, that's the primary reason. It's peak summer, I wanted a tank, and a tank with MothTech, great idea. So that's the reason I picked these up. In winters, I'm usually doing a layer, like I wear a Nike Pro base layer when I go for my runs. And by no means are they priced great. I mean they're priced for whatever they are. For instance, this Nike Run Division in dollars would have set me back by about 60 to 70, I think. Whereas the Satisfy, don't quote me on this guys, but the Satisfy cost me $200 ish, like $175. I have not done the conversion really in currency, so I can't be absolutely sure, but too expensive, more of like a fashion statement. Of course, this is like the high fashion of running. I'd probably also wear this out casually. Anyway, that's all that I had for this video. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.